Any of these main stems we want. Generally speaking, you want your main stems up against the wall, so it can be fastened to the wall in some way, which we'll talk about perhaps later, and then it will grow across the wall rather than come out away from the wall. So we have to decide on which of these stems we want, and then once we've decided which ones we want, we've then got to make some decisions about how we're going to prune them. What we're looking for is we're looking for buds up the side of the stem, and we're going to take them off right back to the stem. We want these new stems here to reshoot next year, and they will carry next year's flowers. See that there's a bud here, just about a centimetre, a few centimetres above there. There's a bud here. I can see the mark in the side of the rose where there's a little mark just there next to my secateurs blades. So I'm going to cut just above that. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to come up with some way of sort of having the rose in a fan shape across the wall, tied into position so that it will then spread out across the wall with the new buds. And you can see on some of these bits which I've pruned back, you can actually see the new growth already coming. So for example, on this one here, there's a new bud coming just by my thumb there, so that will come soon, starting to grow. I think that once these sort of roses start producing leaves, I personally wouldn't prune them anymore after that, but I don't know that it would do them that great deal of harm, to be honest, even if you left it a bit too late. It's just a question of getting the right shape that you want to cover the wall, and obviously in this particular garden this wall is very big.